Hi, friends. I wanted today to talk to you a little bit about what your requirements are for your solar system project. So, first, I wanted to tell you where exactly to find it, and then I'm going to give you a little bit step by step of what I'm expecting of you. So, if you go to our page and then click on content, week 2, and then right here it says solar system research. So, the first thing that I suggest that you do is you click on the worksheet and it will automatically download. It's a Microsoft Word document. And once you open it, it will give you a better understanding of what you are expected to find out for the information for your research project. So let's see if we can get this to open up here. While we're waiting for it to open, so basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating a planet brochure. Oh, wonderful. And some of the information that you're going to be including on that brochure is here. I suggest that you make sure that you can fill in all of the information. This is all things that you can find on pretty much any website, and I'm going to show you one that I highly suggest that you go to. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose a planet, any planet except for Earth. And you are going to fill in this information. So some of the things are average temperature and weather condition, history of the planet's name, what would you see if you visited the planet, any landforms or water, how long does it take to orbit the sun, what it's made out of, and then could humans survive there? And you're going to look at its atmosphere, its gravity, and then other conditions that would make it possible or impossible for humans to potentially survive there. And basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to fill in this worksheet, and then you're going to create a brochure to entice people to come visit that planet. A sample brochure is also included in week 2 content. So let's see if we can open that one up as well. And so this is just a sample of potentially the information, the brochure that you could be filling in with the information that you've looked up. And it has all the same content from your research worksheet on this brochure. And you want to make sure that it's visually appealing. You could also, if you go to Word and you open up a document, there's also choices for you to choose to open up a, if you do new from template, that's where I was looking for. You can open and create a brochure and fill in the information from there as well. You do not have to use this template. So one website that is absolutely wonderful is NASA's Science Solar System Exploration. And what you can do is if you go to planets, let's say you decide to do Jupiter. So you click on the planet and it has a lot of information on here. It tells you, that it's twice as massive as the other planets. It tells you distance from the sun, length of a year, the planet type, and then it gives you a whole bunch of other information. I suggest that you spend, probably a good hour or two just looking for research. You want to make sure that it's interesting, that you're using, interesting graphics to also entice people to come visit your planet. You want to make sure that your information is correct as well. So you want to make sure that your sources are true. So I would stay away from things such as Wikipedia and just typical Google searches. Make sure you're using websites that can be well documented, such as NASA's website. So that's pretty much the gist of the assignment. If you have any other questions, please email me or message me on Blackboard. Thanks and have a great night, boys and girls.